Hello, it's Austin with DS Diamond. I'm at the boat Fellowship. This is a before video. See what she looks like. Oh, it is June 5th, 2023. Okay, let's get her all cleaned up. I'll get you after video.